Welcome to the CFD Weekly Overview of the global financial markets. The euro weakened against the US dollar. The ECB cut its deposit rate by 0.1% to minus 0.5% and decided to start buying €20 billion per month of Eurozone debt, relaunching its quantitative easing program in an effort to boost inflation and the Eurozone economy. The British pound strengthened last week as UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson continued to push for an amended Brexit deal between the UK and the EU. However, there was no breakthrough to the highly disputed Irish backstop clause on Monday when Mr. Johnson met President Juncker of the European Commission. The USD-Japanese yen currency pair grew ahead of the Bank of Japan meeting on Thursday, consolidating above the 108 level before hitting a one-month high on Tuesday. Ahead of the US Federal Reserve meeting this week, gold prices were mainly flat, hovering above the 1,500 level. US government bond yields strongly retreated, while US-China trade deputy level talks are expected to begin on Thursday. US stock indices eased as the latest positive data in the US, including August labour market data, inflation and retail sales data, slashed investors' expectations for a more dovish Fed on September the 18th. However, the Fed is still expected to cut interest rates by 25 basis points to 2%. Crude oil prices skyrocketed some 15% after the largest oil processing facility in Saudi Arabia and a nearby oil field was attacked on Saturday, knocking out 5.7 million barrels of daily crude production, or more than 50% of the kingdom's oil output. However, US President Donald Trump said he was in no rush to respond to the attacks on Saudi oil facilities. You've been watching the CFD Weekly Overview of the global financial markets.